Synopsys is in the forefront of providing software for the electronic design automation industry. These softwares help semiconductor companies build very complex silicon that goes to market really fast. My team is responsible for managing all the engineering infrastructure, which comes along with bringing advanced technologies like AI, cloud, building platforms, building release management, and the entire tooling that goes to make a developer's life better here at Synopsys. Our software, as you can imagine, is very computationally intensive, but we use technologies like multi-threading, distributed processing, multi-process, and all of these challenges requires complex debugging techniques. One of the challenges in the industry today we have is that we often do not get customer test cases in-house to reproduce a problem. Now with that comes a lot of challenges naturally, because our R&D has to do a lot of guesswork, and sometimes they have to look at partial logs and partial data, which makes it extremely time consuming when it comes to solving and debugging these problems. And last but not the least, the fix that we end up doing sometimes needs a long validation cycle, because these fixes have to be verified at the customer side, because we don't have those tests. So this results in a bad customer experience, and at the same time a productivity loss for the company. Undo technology was able to help us in this exact problem. And the way it solved the problem was we were able to record and replay a scenario of a problem that happened at the customer site. And this really helped us, our engineers, to eliminate those guessworks. They were able to get the records of those situations, and they were able to replay it back in-house so that they could actually do live debugging, do live fixes, verify those fixes, and then go back and give the customer a satisfied solution, and therefore turning the problem around where the turnaround time is reduced. At the same time, the customer satisfaction went up. So we had to have a very deep collaboration at a technical level with the Undo team to actually put together a solution that works for the cases like our industry. And after that was done, we were able to integrate that very seamlessly to most of our products. So today, majority of our key anchor products already are integrated with Undo and are in the field right now. One of the key features in Undo which we really like is the delayed recording feature. This is the one where you're able to capture the problem much later in time rather than recording the entire session. That feature alone is one of the most heavily used today in our company, given the nature of the problem. Not only did the customer experience got better, but the turnaround time of fixing those bugs came down drastically. So the problems that we usually get in this area, we're able to resolve it from weeks to days now.